Hello everyone, my name's Aiden and I am back and we're gonna play Escape the Mall Tycoon. The mall's full of zombies. Once you leave, you're on your own. Oh, okay. Let's internet effective. Okay. Here. My first time playing this game because I played other games. So yeah. If you hear someone, my grandma's calling someone. It's my tita. Don't know what tita is. It's aunt in Tagalog. Live in the Philippines. So okay, we did it. Okay, what's this? Can't go there. Not. Okay, we can't go. Okay, what's this? This is purple. This magenta stuff. Okay, the door. Look through the bathroom doors. It's our only option. Oh. Okay. Okay, so just want to here. Is this like a Oh yeah, it is. Yes, I guess. Okay. Where's there an octopus? Oh my god. Man, what's up the other ghost? Here and here. Okay, jump over the octopus. Okay, there we go. Now jump on the barrels. Okay.
Is it raining?
Jump. Okay, we're here. So yeah, okay, here.
Okay.
Okay.
There.
Okay. What is this place? Yarn. Okay.
Oh.
Yarn. Okay. Right. Okay. Would you like to skip stage? No. Okay. Jump. Yes. I know it. Lucky blocks, I guess. Mario. Okay. Play now. I used to have a Game Boy. I could play Pokemon, but I don't know what happened to it. It's gone. We fell down. Okay, back up. Supposed to jump. The coins. Okay, so much going on. So much going on. Okay. Click on the buttons and find the one that opens the main door. Okay, found it already. You guys eating burger? There's a zombie apocalypse. Okay, jump over the wires. Jump. Ooh. Gigantic zombie. Ooh, it's a zombie. Okay, exit. Are we out? Oh, not out of the mall. Is this oil? Yes, it's oil. Okay.
Wala daw siyang lagnat eh. Tuwing tatanungin ko, wala daw siyang lagnat. Nag-ano lang. 2 days. Ano? Kaya pag tinatanong ko yan, 2 days siyang nag-chill. Bakit lumayo?
Oh, it pushes you, that kills you.
Kasi 40 kanina yung tinanong yung nurse.
Okay, we did it. Okay, jump. Okay. Careful.
Walang nakita sa CT scan kasi gusto nila i-roll out ang stroke.
Yes. Let's go, get in.
Sabi niya, normal out ang CT scan, pero i-refer sa
Okay, now we're here. Hey man, we're eating.
matingnan lang. Sabi ko, oo, ganun. Pero kahit CT scan,
Okay, you lost your life in an accident. You were born around. Okay.
sabi niya, oo, ate, pero normal yung findings. Sabi ko,
Jump
okay.
over the fries.
Tapos, sabi ko,
Oh, it's
sa kuwari na natubo, oo, ate, pero
Uulitin niya daw eh. Uulitin niya daw
Jump
yung
over
ano.
fries.
CBC tsaka
Okay,
electrolyte.
yeah.
Sabi ko, bakit po ulitin ang CBC electrolyte? Yan kasi ate parang diluted daw.
Jump,
Sabi ko, bakit
jump,
sila sila kumuha
jump,
ng dugo?
jump,
Baka naman
jump,
kumuha sila
jump.
ng dugo kung nasan yung IV.
Okay,
Eh,
cupcakes.
diluted yun.
Cupcakes.
So, dapat, kung kumuha sila ng dugo, bago nila sinimulan yung IV.
Jump. Okay, we're here.
Oo nga.
Kaya, kung kumuha sila ng dugo,
Just
hindi sila dapat
water.
kumuha ng dugo kung nasan yung IV.
Okay.
Dapat
Sa kabila. Oo.
Go there.
Sabi ko, eh, di malamang, doon sila pupunta. Sabi ko, gano'n.
Okay, where are we?
Sabi ko, pero yung ano,
Stop.
blood culture, kinuhanan na. Sabi ko, oo ate, kasi mukhang
Stop
infection
doing
na
that,
daw.
zombie.
Sabi ko, oh, wala
Stop
akong
putting
maisip na
fried
ibang
oil.
dahilan,
It's
kung
gonna burn my
infection
feet.
lang talaga. Sabi ko,
Oh, the
kinuhanan na ng
zombies. They wanna
Sabi
get
ko,
out.
oo ate.
Look at me.
Sabi ko, gano'n
From
daw
at the
katagal.
back, you
Sabi
can't see
niya,
them from the
yung blood
side.
culture ate,
Can't
yung
see them
araw.
from the front. You can
Ang
see.
tagal naman.
Oh, you wanna get.
Yung araw,
Eh, urine culture.
Okay.
Mga 2 araw. Urine culture.
Here.
Iko-culture.
Tussie games. It's
Mga 2
Tussie.
araw lang.
Look, it's Tussie.
dalawa lang po. Ba yung sa'yo po ba nun? 2 araw yun. Kasi baka kung may
Check out the shop.
Oo.
I like the tips. No.
Kailan ba masisimulan ang antibiotic?
Where's Tussie there?
Patatagalin siya nila.
Open where we.
Pero okay na hindi kanina kasi nga naka-IV fluids. Sabi ko, ano,
Toy store?
128.
Okay.
Daw kanina, 127.
70. 120-70.
Wait.
Pero nung
That's
pumunta
why I can't
sila
kill
doon,
you. Oh.
baba. 60.
16 over
30.
30.
Kaya nga.
No.
Ano na yung katawan, hindi niya kinaya ng katawan niya yung
Oh.
infection.
This is hard.
Buti talaga, pinakyat.
Oh, I think another reason why I came here. When you die, if your body part touches a checkpoint, then you will.
Tsaka
If you
yun
touch the
yun.
checkpoint,
Pinanay
yeah, it's
kasi
because of storm
nahihirapan
brew.
niya
Thank you,
huminga.
storm
Tsaka
brew.
yung
At
sa
least
may
storm brew, not
lungs
storm
para
brew.
daw hindi tumigil yung pag ano. May alam to sa mga
Okay, Legos. Jump over the Legos. I might hurt my feet. The balls. I died. I
Nadaganan
want
nga
no
si Aileen.
grappling hook.
kasi di ano tumayo daw ay lumakad daw si Aileen kasi sabi
Okay.
ano
Here.
kaya mo ba punta ka na lang sa ospital
Start that.
tapos tumayo siya
Okay. Pipes.
hindi niya makaya
Pipes.
madaganan niya
Okay, pipes. Oh, more hot oil. More hot oil. Jump,
naupuan siya
jump, jump.
Sabi ka naman,
Tiny bit of hot oil, and I died.
si ano
Oh my gosh.
ay pangaraw nga pala yun.
Okay, so we jump. Oil. Okay. Oh, more zombies. Oh,
Bakit?
jump,
Mag-gloves ka.
jump, 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 jump. Oh, that. Oh, I.
Hindi daw niya ma-assess yung prutas maigi. Sabi, tingnan mo, tigas na ng kamay mo. Sabi ko,
I died.
binigyan ko ng cream. Sabi ko, lagyan natin moisturizer. Ang dry na ng kamay mo.
Hey, dude,
Pinasabi ko,
you're there.
sabi niya, mati muna tayo.
I think.
Sabi
Don't know.
ko, ayoko manood. Wala akong gano'n.
Oh, there's still more. Don't touch the papers.
Sabi ko, tawag mo na ako kay Eloy, tapos mag-replace the first bullet ako. Sabi niya, sige, sa kwarto ako.
Bones, pet store.
Hindi pa sumasagot. Hanggang ngayon, hindi pa sumasagot.
Jump, jump. Okay.
Tapos tinawagan ko muna si Papa. Si Papa muna. Ay, hindi ko naman makontak si Papa. Mama na lang ang talaga.
Okay. That is a gigantic dog. Okay. Scissors.
Kanina, sabi ko, ay, hindi ko na
Okay, jump, jump.
Eh, si Aya, nasa.
Nandun sa kwarto niya po.
He has a lot of hair.
Kanina nag-pray ang Diyos.
Shedding a lot of hair.
Gracious ako. Tapos,
Okay.
sabi nila, why, mommy?
Here and then
Sabi ko,
here.
sabi ko, nurse ako, pero
What is
wala
this?
akong magawa.
Oh, anyways, storeroom. This
Hindi ko
is
maalagaan yung pamilya ko. Hindi ko maalagaan.
big storeroom.
Sabi ni Aya sa akin, Mommy, you were sent here. You were sent here. Dito ka may purpose. Meron kang mission. Kaya nandito ka.
Okay, so
somebody will take care of other things for you. Sabi ni Aya, oh my, naman kaya lahat. Ikaw, superwoman. Hindi mo kakayanin lahat sa
this
isa.
lava is deadly. Escape exactly when, how, where.
Kung ano, gusto ko sana, stay.
Oh, no! No! That was the last jump. That was the last jump. Well, I made it. No one can complain. Zombies. What's this? Electric things. Go exit. Okay, this.
Mama, you're so strong.
Layo-layo kayo.
May purpose to Lord kung ba't kami layo-layo. Sa ngayon lang. Kasi sabi ko,
Sinabi ko lang ni Papa.
Yes, there. Okay.
Na mag-anniversary.
Okay. Down.
Sasabihan ko
I
sinabi
slipped. I slipped.
na happy name.
Fell into lava. No.
Sinabi
Oh,
na
skip.
tapos ko siya.
Why is it so slippery? Did it make it slippery on purpose or something?
May biro mo manggagaling ko ng ilayo. Sabi nyo ni
Here's some guys. Oh, by the way, I have to pay or like verify my phone number just to get a video over 15 minutes. Like, are you serious? YouTube, just for real? Maybe 15 minutes, so this might end early. So yeah. Oh wait, we did it.
Maliit lang
Bye
yun.
guys. Yes.
Ano,
See you next time and bye.